Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to send me a JPEG of your logo. So your logo might look something like this. I mean, obviously it's not going to look anything like this, but you're going to have some shapes and colors and words, whatever you decided to do for your logo. So after you have your logo the way that you want it, you're going to go to File. And again, I'm doing this one in Photoshop, but it's pretty much the same thing for Illustrator. File and Save As. Then when you go into File and Save As, you want to first decide where you want to save it. Maybe you want to save it just to your desktop, which I'm just going to save it to my desktop for right now. And then I want you to name it your first and last name, and then logo. All right. Then make sure that it is saved as a JPEG. All right. You should find a Save As file type. You want to make sure that you take JPEG, not JPEG 2000 or stereo, just the first one, JPEG. Then press save. Then you're probably going to have something like this pop up. A lot of times it's kind of like in the middle. Make it a large file. Press OK. And now it's saved. Now what you could do is go into your email. Let me see, where is my email? And my email is alychuk@upsd.org. Whoa, upsd.org. And just put in logo submission, or logo submit. Then put here is my logo design. And then insert attachment. Find that attachment. So there's the logo. It should have a little thumbnail for it. If it doesn't, you might have done it wrong. Now, if you see something like this, or if you see something like this, go up to large so that you can find your logo. Press open. And you should see it load up. There we go. And then send. All right. Then I'll get it. Then I'll be able to see it as long as it's in a JPEG file. Then I will reply to you either comments or something that you might need to do, or excellent job. Oh, job. 90 out of 100. Okay? And then press send, and then I'll get it. All right? So please send me your logo and make sure that it's a JPEG file. Thank you very much.